If you suspect that your Xbox account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your information. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Visit the Xbox sign-in page. Go to the Xbox sign-in page on your web browser. Click on Sign In and enter your email address associated with your Xbox account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. After entering your email, if you are unable to sign in, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it on the website. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Secure your account. After regaining access, review your account settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added security and check for any unauthorized purchases or changes to your account information. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Xbox account and help protect it from future suspicious activity. Always remember to keep your account information secure.